Welcome in my YouTube channel. I am going to discuss the computer networking subjects. Unit first. So the introduction to computer network, which contains definition of computer network, concept of network, components of computer network, and use of computer networks. So first one, definition of computer networks. Definition which involves the association among two or more computers, म्हणजे दोनपेक्षा जास्त कम्प्युटर असतात. So the two computers will be connected across the world with the help of wave, and which are form of modem. One is wire and other is wireless. Concept of network. The concept of network, which is the process of connection of two or more devices or two or more computers to share information and resources. So the network can be made up of variety of devices, for example, which includes the computer, printer, mobile phones, and server. Components of computer network. A network, or you can also say that the internet, is a form using hardware and network software. Computer network components are the major parts which are needed to install the software. Some important network components are NIC, switch, cable, hub, router, and modem. So first, NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. It is hardware components. Keep in mind that firstly it is hardware components which is used to connect computer with another computer. It can support a transfer rate up to 1000 mega per bytes, which having the MAC address, or you can also say that the physical address is encoded on the network. There are two types of NIC. Computer network components मध्ये वायर NIC and wireless NIC हे दोन भाग पडतात. So wire NIC means it is present inside the motherboard cable, and connectors are used with wire NIC to transfer data. Wireless NIC. The wireless NIC contains the antenna to obtain the connection over the wireless network. You can also take an example for that laptop computers which contains wireless NIC. Next one, which is a components of your computer networking. Switch. Switch is also a hardware device that connects multiple devices on a computer network or in a computer networking. So which contains more advanced feature than hub, right? So the switch it contains the updated table. Switch delivers the message to the correct destination. म्हणजे करेक्ट डेस्टिनेशनला मेसेज जो आहे तो स्विच हा कॉम्पोनंट्सनं डिलिव्हर केला जातो. इट डज नॉट ब्रॉडकास्ट द मेसेज टू द एंटायर नेटवर्क जस्ट लाईक हब. म्हणजे हबसारखं हे काय ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करत नाही. विच डिटरमाइन्स म्हणजे ते ठरवतं द डिव्हाइस टू हुम, म्हणजे कोणाला मेसेज जो आहे इज टू बी ट्रान्समिटेड, कोणाला मेसेज ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे हे फक्त ठरवलं जातं. सो therefore we can say that switch or it provides a direct connections the source and destination, right? So it's all about the switch. Then cable. Cable is a transmission media, you know very well, so which are used for transmitting a signal, right? So there are three types of cable which are used in the transmission: twisted pair cable, coaxial, and fiber optic cable. Next one, modem. Modem is a hardware device that allows, म्हणजे ते मान्यता देते कशाला, the computer to connect the internet over the existing telephone line. It is not integrated with the motherboard, right? Rather than it is installed in PCI slot which are found on the motherboard, and it stands for modulator and demodulator, which converts the data into an analog signal over the telephone lines. Which based on the differences in speed and transmission rate, it can be classified into the following categories: standard PC modem, cellular modem, cable modem. After that, uses of computer network, म्हणजे computer networkचा यूज कशा कशासाठी होतो. So the first one, which is a communication. So through computer networks, individuals and organizations can कोलॅबरेशन केलं जातं कशानं, तर युझिंग कम्युनिकेशनल चॅनल, जे काही कम्युनिकेशनल चॅनल आहे ज्याला संवाद साधता येईल, दॅट मे इन्क्लूड्स ईमेल, चॅट अँड व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंग, राईट. सो सेकंड, रिसोर्स शेअरिंग. सो these bags are a boon to users since they provide a way to share the printer, म्हणजे प्रिंटर तुम्ही शेअर करायला जाईल, स्कॅनर अँड फाईल्स. So which will help to improve work activities and reduces cost. Third, remote access. So the network technology which bring the power of information and assistance by making it accessible from anywhere on the globe. So this enables users, that means the remote access which enables users to operate with more freedom and comfortable, right. So the collaboration, network functions to make a collaborations and tonic by offering the opportunity to work jointly or something, sharing thoughts. Use of computer network, e-commerce. So the online sales and payments तुम्ही करू शकता. So which are empowered with the computer networks which enable the business टू सेल प्रोडक्ट्स, म्हणजे बिझनेसला ते हेल्प करत आहे, इनेबल समर्थ असं करून देणे, म्हणजे ते करू शकतो आपण ऑनलाईन पद्धतीनं. आणि जे काही पेमेंट्स आहेत ते सिक्युअरली एक्झिक्यूट करून घेऊ शकतो. ॲज इन द केस ऑफ एज्युकेशन, फ्रॉम देअर यूज इन एज्युकेशनल सेटिंग. सो दे आर एम्प्लॉयड टू प्रोव्हाइड अ बेसिक डिस्टन्स लर्निंग, म्हणजे डिस्टन्स लर्निंगचा जो कॉन्सेप्ट आहे तो तुम्ही कम्प्युटरच्या त्या नेटवर्किंगमध्ये बघू शकता. सो द ॲक्सेसिंग टू resource of higher education. So last one, entertainments. As in the case of entertainments which are applied to matter of entertainment, just like online gaming, online film and music streaming and social networking. So thank you so much for joining my today's lecture. Have a nice day to all. Thank you.